Why are my ROS packages not linking in Colcon? Are you scratching your head wondering why your robot operating system packages are not linking in Colcon? You are not alone. Many developers face this issue, and it can be frustrating. Let's break down some common reasons and solutions to get your packages linked successfully. First off, one of the main culprits could be incorrect or missing package metadata. Each robot operating system package needs a properly formatted package.xl file and a cmakeless.txt file. If these files have errors or outdated information, Colcon might not recognize or link your package during the build process. Always double-check these files for accuracy. Another common issue arises when the environment is not properly sourced. After building with Colcon, you need to source the setup script, usually found at install setup bash, in your shell environment. If you skip this step, robot operating system tools like ROSrun or ROSlaunch will struggle to find your built packages, leading to linking errors. Missing dependencies can also cause problems. If your packages depend on other robot operating system packages or system libraries that are not installed or not visible in your environment, CMake will fail to find them during the build. You might see errors like, could not find a package configuration file, or notice missing symbols during linking. Make sure all dependencies are installed and accessible. Sometimes, leftover build artifacts from previous builds can create conflicts. Cleaning your workspace by deleting the build, install, and log directories before rebuilding can often resolve these issues. Using incompatible versions of tools can also lead to linking failures. For instance, newer versions of setup tools may not work well with Colcon. If you encounter build failures, consider downgrading setup tools or checking compatibility between robot operating system, Colcon, and your Python packages. Another tip is to avoid running Colcon with too many parallel workers. If you overload your system, it can lead to build failures. Specifying a lower number of parallel workers can improve stability during the build process. To resolve linking issues effectively, start by verifying your package.xl and cmakeless.txt files for correctness and up-to-date dependency declarations. Clean your workspace by removing the build, install, and log directories. Always remember to source the robot operating system environment before building. When you build with Colcon, try using controlled parallelism, for example, using the command Colcon build with two parallel workers. After building, do not forget to source the install setup bash script in every new terminal to ensure that robot operating system tools can locate your packages. Lastly, if you encounter build errors mentioning missing packages like CMake, ensure those packages are installed and their paths are included in the CMake prefix path. If you are working with Python packages, check that setup tools is at a compatible version and consider downgrading if necessary. By following these practical steps, you can tackle the most frequent causes of robot operating system packages not linking in Colcon. This will help you achieve successful builds and proper package discovery in your robot operating system workspace. Happy coding!